Hello dear students, let's proceed to the exercise of MS Office Access. So here we have question straight true or false. So here we have to identify the statement, which statement is true and which statement is false. So let's start with first point, that memo data type fields can store more than 255 characters. So in this part we have to identify this statement is true or false. So here we have this statement is false because memo data type field can store only up to 255 characters, not more than 255. So this statement is false. Second, we can use input mask to prevent duplicate records. So here I want to tell you one thing. Input mask is used to control entry format, to control data entry format like date, time, etc. So here we have false statement that input mask prevent duplicate records. Let's proceed to the third point. Table in Microsoft Access can be created by using design view. So here this answer is true. Under Microsoft Access we will create table in design view only. Okay, so fourth point, in a table records are displayed in order in which they were entered. Yes, this statement is true, that in a table records are displayed in order in which they were entered. Okay, so fifth point we are having, input mask is an expression that specifies criteria or requirements for entering data. So here input mask, that means this statement is false because we are having validation rule which specifies criteria or requirements for entering data. So this statement is false. Now we are having 6 point, that is in datasheet view data type appears at the top of each column. So this statement is also false because in data sheet view field name appear at the top of each column. Then seventh point, field name description and properties of table can be viewed in table view. Here friends, this statement is also false because field name description and properties of table can be viewed in design view, not in table view. Eighth point, field description identifies the type of information stored in field. So here this statement is also false because in data type uh, the type of information stored in the field. Okay, next ninth point is number data types automatically generate a consecutive number. So here this statement is also false because number data is wrong. Here we have to write auto number type automatically generate a consecutive number. So this statement is false. Now let's proceed to the last point. A relationship can be created between two or more tables. Yes, we can easily create the relationship between two or more table. So this statement is true. So here we have finishing this straight true or false question. In the next video we will move to the next question. Okay.